Alright, this should be good. Hey guys, I've got a quick little video for you today. This one is a very simple scenario. It is going to be able to take a template on a Google Sheet, and then the automation is going to fill out that Google Sheet and send it through pdf.co. It was a module that we used in the previous video. Link to that up here, maybe. And after that, what it's going to do is convert that PDF into an image, which you can then go ahead and upload onto any of your socials. So you could basically use that to create a quick little templated document. Maybe you have something that you'd like to share with on your social media, like maybe LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, X, whichever one. So basically what this does is it takes a template, the automation fills it out and converts it into an image, which then goes on to upload it onto your socials. So it's going to be very quick. I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so taking this aside, this is basically the meat of the scenario of the automation. The first one is the Google Slides, which is the create a presentation from a template. And right now I have it set to this, and I just have a very basic and simple text going on in here. So let me open up the template for you. I'm just going to refresh the folder just to show you that everything's clean and this is the only file that's in here. I'm going to open the template, and this is all that I have in here right now. So when you set up a Google Sheet, what you need to do is create a double bracket and then put in the text. And what this is this is going to be the placeholder. So let's say, for example, we make a second one and drag it on here, and then we can change this to second text, let's say, right? And then we go back in here. Right now the value that this is detecting is only text, but if I refresh this, it should show me two values, so text and second text. So whenever you go ahead and put in these double brackets into its own section, it's going to take that as a variable. It's going to recognize that as it is going to recognize it as a variable that you can make a template out of, basically. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that and leave this at just one of them. So using this module, you fill it out, and then in the value of text, you're going to go ahead and put in whatever text you want. In this case, I'm just putting this as a sample, but you can see how you could use ChatGPT to fill this out. You could use ChatGPT to generate something that you could put in here, or what you could do is maybe you have some other value from a database or a Google Sheet that you want to showcase, and you can go ahead and put that in here. So that's what you would do with this. If you wanted to add an image, you could use the module to do that as well. There is upload an image to a presentation that's available, so you could do that as well if you wanted to. Right now I'm just going to stick to text. The second thing we would do is the second thing that I have on here that we are going to do is take that presentation template and convert it into a PDF. So it's going to create a presentation out of the template, and then it's going to convert it into a PDF. And once it converts it into a PDF, it's using this Google Drive module, which is to download a file. So it's going to take the file as a presentation and download it onto, I chose the same folder, but it's going to download it in there as a PDF. And then we are going to be using the pdf.co module. And on here we are going to use the upload a file, and we're going to use the option, which is to convert the PDF to a JPEG file, a JPG file in this case. And we select the file as the one that was downloaded and convert it from PDF to JPG. In this case we only have one page, but you can see how if you have multiple pages you can go ahead and do that as well. And then you're going to export it as a downloaded file. So since it's converted to a JPEG, you're going to download that JPEG. And then once this module downloads that, we're going to use the upload a file module from Google Drive to go ahead and put that on there. So in here, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the file name as it is, and that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run this as a test really quick, just to show you guys what this is going to give as an output. I'm going to run this. So it's going to take the presentation, put in that little bit of text that I put in there into this module. Then it's going to download that as a PDF, upload that onto pdf.co to have it converted into a JPEG file, and then once that's done, it's going to upload it onto our Google Drive folder. And that's there, and then now it's proceeding to upload, and it's done. So this is what it's going to look like. If I refresh this folder, you're going to have the new pic. This was the presentation, the Google Slides file that it created, and then this is the picture that we get out of that. You can see how you can go ahead and change the templates, format, text, color, background, and then once you have that, you can do this. And the easiest way you can go ahead and upload this onto your socials afterwards is by connecting with a module, of course. Let's say you want to upload to LinkedIn. You can create a user image post, and then you can go ahead and upload that. Or you can go, if you have an organization page, you can do create an organization image post. I will go ahead and do one of those right now just to show you what it looks like. I am going to upload the file that we got as an image onto my Kaizhen account, and I'm going to give the name of that as let's just go ahead and put the file name on here, but no, I'm just going to go ahead and put test upload, and context is, I'm not gonna, this is a test. We're gonna go and just do it for viewable by logged in members only, because I don't want everybody to see this one, and go ahead and do that. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and show you is X, because you can connect X as well. So you can go ahead and create a post, but you would want to upload a media. So the thing with X, if you wanted to do this, you'll have to connect your APIs through your account in the beginning, but once you have that connected, you're going to have to do it twice, one for version 5 and one for version 6, because version 5 is what has the upload media feature, and version 6 they went ahead and removed that. I don't know why, but you would go ahead and create a post with version 6, and so you will upload your media, which is over here, and you will attach your item, which is your image. And then once you have that, let me go ahead and verify this. You would do a media ID, which you would receive after you upload this over here, and this is a test upload. And we will not need to worry about anything else right now, because all we're going to upload is the text. And I'm just going to do the spaces just to show you that it's going to take in all of the spacing variables in here as well. So it's not just going to be like an HTML, it's going to actually record the spaces. So we're going to do one for LinkedIn and one for X. And then once you have that, I'm just going to save this real quick, and I'm just going to do, this is a test of the image uploading information. Okay, good. And I shall go ahead and run this, and it's going to go ahead and take that template and filter through these. What I'm going to do while this is working is I'm just going to go ahead and open my socials, so LinkedIn and my X account. Go to Kaizhen, and then I will go into my account. So you can already see it's uploaded onto my X. So this is a test uploaded 16 seconds ago. You can refresh to confirm if it will do that. 30 seconds ago. There we go. This is a test. And I will go ahead and delete that. The next thing is to check my Kaizhen, which I will refresh right here and look at my dashboard. This is a test. This is a test of the image uploading automation. There we go. And I will go ahead and delete that. So now this would be a very quick and easy way for you to be able to do this upload. And you can see how you won't just be limited to this. You could change up that template to do whatever you want. You could change up that template to have a little more specifics. Maybe you want to upload scenarios, you want to upload some products that you have. Maybe you have a whole list of products that you need to upload, and you want to do that like every other day. You want to time it so that you have new products that come into your system with, maybe you can have a template with a placeholder for the picture, for the name, and maybe some details, right? Some maybe like 2 to 3 lines worth of details, and then you can go ahead and do that. So you can have a database that gets uploaded. You have a database that gets uploaded on the side. You can connect that to the beginning over here and have it run every so hours or every day, let's say, and then it goes ahead, runs through this and creates a image that you can, based off of a template that you can go ahead and upload. And the best part about this is also you could add a ChatGPT module somewhere in there to go ahead and maybe make a custom description that you could write as a text that goes with the image. Or even better, you could use ChatGPT to make custom text that goes into the image. So there's a whole bunch of ways that you could use this scenario and automation. I'm just going to go ahead and save this and have this module saved as a blueprint for you guys. This is a very quick video. I don't think I'll edit this too much, probably the stuttering but in any case, I will go ahead and have these for you available in the waitlist. So there's a link to a waitlist to a community that I have down in the description if you want to go ahead and sign up into that, or if you've already signed up into it, it should be available in the Google Drive folder that is reserved for you. But yeah, if you've stuck around, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please go ahead and use this automation. And if you have any questions, also feel free to leave them down in the comments. Also, bonus, if you haven't done the waitlist, there is a section in the waitlist that you can also go ahead and type in if you want to see if there's a specific automation you'd like to see me make. I can go ahead and do that as well. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just write it in the comments. I'll take a look at it from there. And thanks so much. Have a good day.